bet on Nigeria, you're betting on the future.
Fast becoming one of the industry's most anticipated tech gatherings, the Mastercard Forum brings together key representatives from the Fintech community, commercial banks, microfinance banks, processors, investors, regulators, and the government to discuss critical developments and trends in the Nigerian fintech landscape.
Mastercard has built a technology that never fails for a world that never stops. That's just the summary of why we are here and what we do. By facilitating dialogue and networking among key players, we aim to drive an advancement in financial technology. We want to promote best practices.
The event also features a fireside chat as participants delve into Mastercard's strides in facilitating the ecosystem's growth and identifying potential opportunities.
Top of mind is how do we navigate nationalism and how do we make sure that countries who for a good reason want to have their sovereignty when it comes to payments, how they can still benefit from a global network like Mastercard. So that's number one.
By 2030, we're expecting Africa to be the fastest growing continent globally. Underneath that, you've got obviously a very large youth bulge. And the reality is that we don't really have a way to cater to this population growth which is coming through. And so that's why Fintech is such an interesting space for Mastercard, because you are starting to see those white spaces and think about how you can solve. The trick, though, is going to be how can we do that in a way that makes sense for Africa.
Mastercard says this forum has become an avenue to advance discussions on developments in the industry, just as it serves as a demonstration of the company's commitment to the growth and development of fintech in Nigeria.